And I'll just say two things. It is very sad that there are people in this country who have been collecting salaries for the last 8 years as per that petition, and they have not been doing any work, and they've been drawing salaries from the government coffers. Mr. Speaker, it is a very, very deplorable situation, and I want to congratulate the petitioner who has brought this to the attention of this House. Mr. Speaker, which brings me to my second and final point, that I want to stand on this floor of this House to ask the Attorney General of the Republic of Kenya, who has been a member of Parliament, who has served, we have served together in National Assembly before, and he has been a Speaker of the House, that he can take up an audit of these laws and some of the bodies that have been formed under the laws, Mr. Speaker, so that we don't have these wastages. And when these people are discovered, or the various bodies are discovered, then measures be taken to remedy the situation. Otherwise, I support this petition. I thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Senator Onyonka.